Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you recently got a Philips Sonicare water flosser or the battery suddenly feels low and you are unsure about the correct charging process, do not worry because the setup is usually much easier than many people expect. Sometimes people connect the charger but are unsure if charging actually started, while other times the Philips Sonicare water flosser seems inactive and creates confusion. Since proper charging helps the Philips Sonicare water flosser work smoothly and maintain strong performance, learning the right process can make everything feel much simpler. The best part is that once charging starts correctly, your Philips Sonicare water flosser should be ready for regular use again without much trouble. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to charge a Philips Sonicare water flosser. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the Philips Sonicare water flosser and dry the outside before charging begins. Step 2. Connect the charger designed for the Philips Sonicare water flosser carefully. Step 3. Locate the charging area on the Philips Sonicare water flosser before attaching power properly. Step 4. Check indicator lights on the Philips Sonicare water flosser to confirm charging starts normally. Step 5. Leave the Philips Sonicare water flosser charging for enough time before disconnecting it. Step 6. Test the Philips Sonicare water flosser after charging and confirm it works normally again.